All right, I'm going to do that trend where I get my 2-year-old to pronounce really cute things. What kind of animal is this? What are those? What are they? Monkeys? What sound does a monkey make? What are these?
Bunnies.
Bunnies? What sound does a bunny make?
Bunnies.
Do you know what these are?
What are these called?
What are these animals called?
Oh, horses.
They're called goats. Can you say goat?
Goat.
Goat. And they go, meh!
Oh.
What are these ones?
Butterfly word.
Do you like butterflies?
Yeah.
What's that?
Doggy.
Doggy?
Yeah.
Is that one cute?
Yeah.
What sound does a doggy make?
Woof.
What's this?
Oh. How does cuddle?